Hello, I'm Lesley Logan, and today we're going to do the hanging pull-ups. Okay, I'm going to just be honest. I have been putting off filming this video for you for quite some time, but it's homework for me to do every day, so I'm using you as an excuse to do it today. So it is a lovely exercise, actually. It's completely full body. It really will challenge some of your most amazing reformer exercises. You're going to see elephant in this exercise. You're going to see long stretch in this exercise. You're going to see up stretch and down stretch and all the things, rowing, everything is in this. And so my challenge to you is you try to do 3 sets of 3. Now, if you need to do 3, come down, go back up, come down, go back up, that's fine, right? But that's our goal, y'all. We're gonna get there, right? So what you wanna do is set your trapeze up so you're at your wingspan, and then you grab kind of where your fingertips and elbows would meet. And then where your fingertips and where your elbow is on the bar, I should say that. And then you just grab on. Now, my teacher, Jay Grimes, would make fun of me. He said I could teach the workshop on panic flies because in this exercise, just getting into it, I tend to panic. So I'm going to teach you the trick to not panic. So I don't pull with my biceps. I find a way to kind of connect to my back already. And then I lift my stomach up and jump both feet in. Then you separate them. You can flex your feet, and right here, it's pretty easy to hang off our shoulders. So stay connected to arms to your back. You won't go as low as you want, but you get that elephant stretch. Then you lift, you find your swan, and then you come into a plank, and then from your back muscles, you pull yourself up 3 times. And again, it's not a bicep exercise. I'm really keeping my arms connected to my back as best as I can so that I'm not holding myself up with my hands, and I'm not doing the pull-ups with my arms, I'm doing it from my back. And then the goal would be to jump out as softly as possible. In fact, if you could pull yourself up and then pull your knees into your chest and then let them go down on their own strength, that's a goal. So I promise to film this again as I get stronger so you can see the progression. Just know that you're trying to jump in, land, jump out, land quietly, because it's all about the strength and the quality, not the quantity. If you have questions about this, please put in the comments below. I'm Lesley Logan. I love filming these videos for you, so thank you so much for watching them. It means so much to me. If you love the Cadillac, we do offer Cadillac workouts on onlinepilatesclasses.com. We have recorded ones and we have live ones. So let me know and check them out, and we can work out together on this fabulous Cadillac or your tower if that's what you have to. Thank you so much, and I'll see you next time.